Located just on the outskirts of the city of Udaipur, perched atop a hill, Sajjangarh Palace is a former royal residence belonging to the Mewar dynasty who ruled over this place for centuries. The complex is named after its patron Maharaja Sajjan Singh, who ordered its construction. It was originally intended to be a 9-storied astronomical observatory to note and assess the arrival and patterns of monsoon clouds, which could be easily perceived from the palace because of its location at a strategic vantage point at one of the hilltop of Aravali called Banstara Peak. For this reason, it has also earned the name Monsoon Palace. However, due to premature death of Maharaja Sajjan Singh that did not turn into a reality, his successor Maharana Fateh Singh transformed it into a palace of recreation. During his tenure and after that, the Monsoon Palace was primarily used as a hunting lodge for royal family of Mewar and their guests. Staying true to its contemporary style of that time, Sajjangarh Palace displays a fascinating Rajput architecture, complete with high towers, balconies and pillars. It even had the facility to harvest rainwater in unique scientific techniques. You can see whole Udaipur city from top, and on the other side you can view the awesome layers of Aravali hills. In rainy days, clouds can be seen very closely from here. One of the famous places to visit in Udaipur, Bagore Ki Haveli, is a haveli that stands magnificently on the waterfronts of surreal Lake Pichola at Gongori Ghat. Built in the 18th century by Amar Chand Badwa, the then Prime Minister of Mewar Kingdom, Bagore Ki Haveli has been restored over the period of time and is now converted into a museum. Bagore Ki Haveli is just 1.9 miles from City Palace and would hardly take 3 to 4 minutes of drive. We at first thought of skipping this place, but it turned out to be a pretty decent to spend some time photographing. Rather than going inside the museum, we decided to spend time outside at the waterfront. The museum is right on the waterfront of Lake Pichola and gives an amazing view of Lake Palace. Udaipur will never fail to mesmerize you with its picturesque locations. Ambre Ghat, also known as Manjhi Ghat Udaipur, is one of the best and most popular ghats in Udaipur. This place is filled with local people as well as tourists. In early morning hours, you can find peace and solace with old citizens of Udaipur who do yoga, bathe in lake and do several other activities. In evening, you can enjoy city lights and appreciate the detailed view of heritage hotels like Lake Palace Udaipur, Jag Mandir, Shiv Niwas, etc. from the Ghat.